long time no see. Life's been crazy. Sorry, been busy trying to get to videos and do some stuff, but time's come where I've done a bunch of stuff in the last couple months, a lot of stuff recently, even though it's snowy and absolutely gross here in the lovely Canadian mountainous winters. So, but it sure is nice. But anyways, yeah, did some stuff. I will show you shortly. Got some new winter wheels, got rid of the OEM stuff, got some new bronze Avids. If you can see those nice shiny fat exhaust tips on there. Just got new exhaust on too, the Invidia Q300. So I have that hooked up to my cop downpipe and it sounds absolutely perfect. Also got the F1 rear brake light, which has been great. It's good for just wintertime driving. It's winter shitty city or crappy driving conditions, so that helps out a lot. Also, I'll show you what else I did. Just because the stereo sucks so much in these things. I don't know if you can see it, but let's go here. I installed, boy, where are we going? A subwoofer underneath the seat. It fits absolutely perfect. If anybody wants to know more about that, I can show you more in the description. Just message me and I'll tell you what it is, or I can make another video about that another day when it's brighter out. But otherwise, I'm gonna turn on my exhaust, show you that thing. It's a little chilly here. I think it's like minus 12 degrees Celsius right now, so it's chilly. So it should have a nice little Subaru rumble when it starts up here, a nice cold start. And yeah, I'll do a couple rev bombs and possibly even drive around the parking lot here. So, all right. Nice new Invidia Q300. Install went pretty good. Actually didn't take too long. It was just getting under the car was the hardest part because these things are too damn low. And my jacks I only had a couple things to use, so. But made it work. Looks great. Also, these are the new wheels I got in the bronze, the Avids. So, I think those look awesome in the wintertime. Just something a little bit different compared to the black ones on the summer. I also got something different coming for summertime too. But yeah, they look great. I went with the 18 by, oh geez, I can't remember the specs now. 18 by 8.5, I believe, with the plus 38 offset. I'm running OEM spec tires, size anyways, but these are Champiro Winter Pro HPs. I ran these last season too, and they have been amazing. I can't even get over how good they've been in the snow. I drive up the mountains weekly to go snowboarding, and yeah, I probably get up there faster than anybody else on the mountain, that's for damn sure. So, yeah, these things look great.